Say what it says, Mr. Gary. I got your people. I got the one who really makes it happen, the one that matters. It is Fred Bird. Fred Bird, turned down for what? I got you. Okay, listen, Fred. Couple of quick questions. Is this our year? Okay, this is it. Lots of home runs. All right, lots of catches. Right? Lots of fun. Oh my God, Fred Bird. Let me tell you something. How do you do it? How do you do it? Oh my, you just don't know. Oh, that's. You bend over, let me see you shake a tail feather. It's all about Cardinal Nation, baby. You know what Fred Bird says it's gonna go down, it's gonna go down. And Fred Bird is gonna do it, and when he's doing it, I'm gonna do it with my crown. So what do you say? What do you say? We got your people.